Hello, here is my. Actually, supposedly, it says here. Look at that. Screen used. And they sell these. They sell these Columbia Pictures and other places. Distribute it for them. Thank you. Thank you. Anyway, it's time to get all gooped. I hate myself. Okay, we can't get too messy with this, but we gotta. I can't really even get my hair aligned today. Uh, fuzzy struggles of fuzzy hair. All right. So we'll just go like this. In here is actually there was a little figure in here. I took it out because I just want the slime, but it was a terror dog, and I love it. They're like this big to if you get like the librarian, she can be like that big. And then Slimer is about the in between both. So yeah, let's do this. I feel so weird. It's cold too. I feel so funky. Okay, I gotta get me a good bit here. Oh my gosh. Since this stuff is being used, you gotta wash your hands right after it. Let me see if I can grab a good bit. Okay, I got it with 2 fingers. Look at that. Hey, look at. Can I get it? Like, you can kind of see it when I do that. Ah, can you hear it? Like, look. Ew. This isn't pleasant. Look at all of it. You're spending all me money. Sorry, my favorite show is going on right now. Especially my favorite episode. This! Sorry, it's SpongeBob in the background. Oh, my finger. It's stuck. You dip it all the way in, yeah. So this is, yeah, ectoplasm. You can see. And yeah. So, and then they encourage you, when you're done with it, you gotta wash your hands. It's slime. It slimed me. Okay. Well, that's all for today. That's how it looks. It looks really pinkish. And it actually will feature, I'm not sure which all ghost, but I know Slimer, the librarian, and the terror dog. So you can try to collect them all, but yeah. It's so cold. It feels so funky. Alright. I'm gonna go get washed up. And see you guys another time. And I will have this. Maybe on Halloween. I'll have to wash it when I do. But yeah.